I can't believe that your boy have the Air Jordan 14 retro black toe. I can't believe it because they wasn't on my radar. And I said, man, it's 1 minute to 9 o'clock. Let me go ahead and pull the trigger on them. And your boy hit on these hoes, man. So I don't know if I'm excited about them because I already have the 2014 version. But they came in today and I haven't opened the box yet. We gonna open the box together. But they sold out instantly on Sneakers app. And I paid around $210 plus tax, $227.33. So let's go ahead and open the box together. Let's go. I don't know, y'all. I don't know, man, because I already have them. Was it necessary for me to get them again? Let's take out the other one. I don't know, man. And I'm gonna tell you, I like how these look on feet. They was in my top 3 Jordans all the time. I think I might change that because these shoes are uncomfortable. So these are the 2024 version and these are the 2014 version. I don't know, man. I might just keep these. I just can't believe they sold out. I did not think these was gonna sell out. I was size 11 and a half on StockX. They going for $259. Now, the 2014 version going for over $400, 11 and a half. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I bought these on impulse. Man, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.